Hi everyone, this is Mispa, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add comments to your course area. So let's say this is my course and this is my first module inside the course, and inside this module I have the first lesson inside the course. Now, once people watch the first lecture, I want to have a comment section right below the video so people can go ahead and leave their comments. Now, if you're using System.io, that is 100% possible. So what you have to do is click here on the three dots and then click on settings and then click here on enable comments and then click save. And now if you open up the course, there we go. And this is the comment section. Now your students will be able to leave a comment and you will be able to see it. All right. So let's say this is a great video. And then if you want, you can add an attachment, a file or a PDF, or you can attach a video link here. The video could be from YouTube or Facebook or Vimeo, Loom, or other platforms here. You can also attach a GIF. You can also add a link here, and you can add emojis as well. And then just click here and the comment will be posted. So there we go. And this is a great feature because once someone leaves a comment, it will encourage other people to leave comments as well in the video course. So go ahead and add this feature to your courses and get instant feedback from your students who are watching your course. Now, if you want to be notified when someone leaves a comment, you can actually go to your settings, click on notifications, and you can choose how you want to receive notifications when someone leaves a comment. Notify me about comments on my courses. So System.io can email you, or you can even get in-app notification. So it all depends on you. There are further options here that you can select however you want to be notified, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. I am loving this comment section in my courses, and I hope you enjoy it as well. If you like this video, go ahead, hit like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.